Hey everybody, what's up? Sir Spookfest here. So it's about 10:45. We're gonna play some of those tones and we're gonna go look outside. This tone. Alright. And I just have this on a loop and it is playing on these speakers out here. Let's blast it. Hold on. Alright, that's pretty damn loud. Now let's go. Let's just look. So that way is the ocean. Supposed to bring in UFOs. This is the dog whistle sound. So I got this from Casper site. Rambo that shoot. So let's see if anything shows up. I've seen stuff in front of my house before. That's the naval base over that way. Probably just do this for like 5-10 minutes. Wait a minute. There's a light. Let me zoom in. Maybe it will come this way if it's one of them orbs. Nah, I can see like flashing on it. That's just a plane. I got a 20-second repeat. So let's just see if anything happens. I don't think it's really gonna annoy anyone with just that tone. We'll give it 5 to 10 minutes. There's another plane. Oh wait, that light did get bigger and seems to be coming this way. Come on, UFO. Are you a UFO? I mean, I am blasting that noise. Come over here if you're a UFO. I ain't scared. Right here. It does seem to be moving this way. Speakers are pretty loud. Is this thing really coming this way? It does seem like it has a flasher on it though. How crazy would that be if this is working and that comes over here and it sits right above my house? I gotta zoom out, hold on. No, that's a plane. Or maybe it is one of them weird drones. Who knows? Okay, that's that other plane going that way. Yeah, this is definitely a plane. I'm gonna keep playing the tone. We're just gonna keep doing it. Yeah, that's almost... What I did notice during the day when I was playing this tone, my phone was glitching. Wait. Okay, I don't hear any helicopter noise. I don't hear an airplane. What is this? Just a plane, but I don't hear it. Is that one of them drones? I don't hear anything. I think it is. It's one of them drones. Oh no, wait. Hard to tell. Yeah, I don't hear any airplane. But I have traffic noise behind me here, so let's keep doing it. Yeah, I believe that was just an airplane. I am still playing those tones. Don't really know if you can hear them from here, but there's my camper. What is that? That is not a light tower, I don't think. Alright, keep playing the tones. We'll see if that moves at all. The noise is messing up on this. That's strange. It wasn't doing that crackling before. Do I have anything right above me? No. I wish I had a longer than 20-second loop. But yeah, if you want to maybe copy the sound. So this is just a variation of tones, 528 hertz. I don't think I'm gonna get lucky, but yeah, I hear that crackling. I don't remember hearing the crackling noise in there before. Maybe I should turn it up even louder. Wait, is that? That's just a star. Or is it? I'll keep playing it. What is going on? Why is it crackling so much? That's not in the recording, because I'm just playing it off my wife's phone. It's like something's jamming the signal. There's something right above me. Is this a bad idea? Alright, so that light, yeah, that's gonna be like a tower light over there. Yeah, and then this one right here, that one is the tower for the landing strip over at the airfield for the military base. Well, dog whistle isn't giving me much results. That's an airplane. Keep playing it anyway. It's weird that it's breaking up like that. Yeah, there goes an airplane or a helicopter. Wait a minute. Oh. Thanks for the noise, Casper side. We're gonna give this another minute, and then I'm gonna say screw it, we didn't get nothing, but $11 at night, Virginia Beach, the 27th of April. No luck with UFOs so far. Keep playing it. Who knows? Maybe something will show up. What I'll do is play this a few more times. Maybe we'll walk over there and go look at the ocean for a moment. hold on here. Play it a few more times. I'll even turn it up louder. That's as loud as it goes. my whole camper's shaking. Holy. One more. I don't know if you can hear that. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna stop this now. We'll take a little walk over to the water. Jeez, man, that was loud. I mean, those speakers really do pump it out. So, who knows? Maybe I attracted something. Let's take a little walk over here. Now watch, I get abducted when I'm sleeping tonight. You played the whistle. You played the sound. See if anything weird in the water. So yeah, it's just about 11 o'clock at night. Good time, there's no wind. Got a good view of everything, clear skies. Norfolk military base. Some construction crews over there. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this, even if I didn't really catch much. Saw some planes. We're gonna keep trying this. We'll try it again at some point. Yeah, that's just a plane, I believe. Yeah. Alright, well. I tried with some of the 528 hertz dog whistle UFO call. Go in there and hit the button a few more times and see if we're lucky. You never know. Kind of seem like I feel a little bit crazy trying to call in a UFO, but worth a shot. And not sure what would happen if one did show up over my house. There is that military base right there. They might go on full alert, and who knows. Let's try the noise again. Oh, hit play, come on. Last one, guys and girls. I'm gonna have to review this. That one plane that did fly by over like that way, didn't really hear an airplane, so it might have been one of them drones, but nothing. Weird how it was breaking up and crackling though, because I just played it now and it wasn't crackling. Nada. Alright, well. If I have some weird stuff happen tonight, I'll let you know in the morning. I should go this way, look over the house. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll try this again at some point. I gave it a good try. It don't look like anything's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna hang in the camper for a bit and I'll keep my eyes peeled. No planes, helicopters that I see anywhere. Can't even see the stars. Well, maybe next one I'll take that tone with me to the beach and we'll go over to the big beach and we'll try right on the Atlantic Ocean and see if we can get one to come out of the ocean. But you guys rock. Sir Spookfest is out of here. If anything happens later on, I'll try and catch it. If anything weird's going on, who knows. I mean, I played those tones for 15 minutes or so. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back with an investigation this week, probably Wednesday, or if not Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, thank Casper Site for the tones. And these guys are all crawling around now, coming out of their cicada shells. Ooh, gross. So maybe I'll catch another one here. I'll do it one more time. That'd be cool. This big fireball shows up in the sky. And I have it. So zone 2 is on. We'll go blast it one more. Alright, well, that's all I can do for now. And, yeah. Peace out, you guys. Thank you so much if you watch this. I'll be looking for UFOs, more paranormal investigations soon. See if anything weird happens after all that. I don't think it's gonna, but never know. Alright. Peace out, guys.